Yes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Ndebele people, for Adam love. Thank you, Ndebele people, for Madinda love. Thank you, Ndebele people, for Peter love. Thank you, Ndebele people, for Vusanyon, Becky Tempen love, Metempen love. Thank you for Honor Gombami. I thank you very much, Ndebele people, for Sandra Ndebele, Beata Manget, or Beata Kumalo. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Ndebele people, for giving us and producing all these rare gems, rare talents in the history of this country, Zimbabwe. Of course, from your tribe, from your region, from your province. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I used to watch Peter Love in South Africa, even the Zimbabwe national team. Peter Love, a great football star, mega star, superstar. I used to feel good. I used to be happy. I used to feel excited. I just want to appreciate you, Ndebele people from Bulawayo, Matebele province, Matebele region, for producing these rare gems, rare products in terms of their talents and skills and techniques in the fields of their endeavor. Those in football and those in music. Beata Kumalo in music, Sandra Ndebele in music, Dumisani Mpov in football, Vusanyon in football, and the best guys in football, according to me and my mind, according to me and my brain. When I think about Peter and Love, when I think about Madinda and Love, when I think about Adam and Love, when I think about Metembe and Love, when I think about Becky Temba and Love, those are the best guys in football in this country, Zimbabwe. At the national team, at whatever level, they're the best guys, according to me in my mind, according to me in my brain. But now I'm surprised. Now I'm so worried. I'm so concerned. I can't see that glory anymore. I don't see that glory anymore. In Matebele, in Bulawayo, even here in Mashonaland, somebody who is so good like Peter and Love, very best like Peter and Love, or Madinda and Love, I don't see it anymore right now. In Matebeleland, even here in Mashonaland, I don't see it anymore. I'm so worried. I'm so concerned. I'm so disappointed. Why our standards are falling? Why the quality of our football is falling? Why the standards of our football is falling? Where is that glory? Where are the skills in football? Where is the football intelligence, football IQ? Where is it? But anyway, the purpose of this video is to appreciate you and Ndebele people and Matebeleland people for giving us, for producing, for advising, for coaching, for mentoring, for nurturing and grooming those football stars and those music stars and others whom I don't know, whom I've never heard of, but I appreciate them, I like them, I love them, and I do appreciate them very much. Yes, I do appreciate them very much, even though I don't know them. You know, because I was not exposed to everyone. I was not exposed to everyone, either a football star or a music star. So I don't know a lot of football stars from Ndebele people from Matebeleland. I don't know some music stars besides Sandra Ndebele and Beata Kumalo. I don't know others because I was not exposed to them. I don't know them. Honestly, I don't know them. But still in my ignorance, I do appreciate them. In my very ignorance, I do appreciate them and all of their work activities, all of their services. I do appreciate them on behalf of Zimbabwe as a country, as a nation. But where is that glory? Where are the football stars like Peter, like Adam, like Madinda, like Mitembe, like Dumisani Mpov, like Vusanyon, like Ona Gomban? Where are they? Like Joe Lupasha, where are they? Where are they? Where are they hiding? What are they doing? Where are the music stars like Sandra Ndebele, like Beata Kumalo, Where are they? What are they doing? Where are their work? Where is their work? Where are their productions? But all the best to Ndebele people and their stars in music, in football. All the best as we move forward with the life. All the best. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate it so much. I love you guys from the other region, from the other province, from the other tribe. I love you. I like you. I appreciate you very much. All the best. Let's continue to produce more stars, more superstars, more mega stars. Let's continue in that direction, in that production direction. Let's continue for the betterment of those people, their families, the community, the tribe, the country, the nation, everything. Let's continue. This is my appreciation. This is my cherishment. These are my words of appreciation, my token of appreciation to all the stars ever to come out of Bulawayo, ever to come out of Matebeleland, ever to come out of that tribe, Ndebele people. All the best. I appreciate you. I love you. I like you. All the best as we move forward with life. We need more stars. We need more stars from your region, from your tribe, for every reason, for every purpose, as long good and as long positive. We need more stars. Yeah, this is my appreciation. I'm done talking. I'm signing out. See you in the next video. Sharp.